Now, if you take a look at the brand new Tundra all over the web, people have been complaining they're experiencing a brake squeal. Well, there is a TSB issued out by Toyota on May 6, 2024. That is TSB 0043-24. And in that TSB letter, it states some 2023-2024 model year Sequoia hybrid and 2022 through 2024 model year Tundra and Tundra hybrid vehicles may exhibit a condition where the front brakes produce a squealing noise when driving forward or in reverse. Follow the repair procedure in this bulletin to reduce the possibility of this condition. Now, if you take a look at the part numbers here on the image, you can see the previous two front disc rotors. The part numbers are different. So they did change the two front rotors, and we'll get more on that in a little bit. And if you look down below on the pads, you can see also the pads previous part number and the new part numbers are different. And you also get a shim kit and anti-squeal front grease included. Again, different part numbers. And right below that, fitting kit disc brake front anti-rattle spring. Again, different part numbers. Now, the brake caliper grease stayed the same, no difference there. Now, in that TSB, it continues and it wants us to remove the rotor, the brakes, and everything, obviously, because we're replacing it. And here, check this out. The new rotors they send us will also come with this gold dot. That's one of the ways we're going to be able to identify it is the new rotor or the updated part number. So that's pretty interesting thing to know. So the new rotor that they're going to send us will have that gold dot on there. If you take a look at the pads on the screen, you can see they have specific locations where it wants us to apply the grease on the pads. And if you look at the calipers as well, they also have specific locations to apply the grease as well. And that's all they pretty much wants us to do, guys. So this repair and procedure is covered under the warranty, 3 years, 36,000 miles, whichever occurs first. Now, this is for the customers. I mean, sometimes you can get a grain of sand trapped in there and it just cutting a groove in the rotors and you get that squeak or a squeal in the morning. But for the regular everyday customer that just pulls in the garage, drive out, they shouldn't be experiencing a squeak while driving. So this TSB will help address that issue. Hope you guys find this video informative. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.